guys, tonight we will play 99 Nights with my teammates. And I died 3 times. Teammates, Sigil, got 3 deaths. And our teammate got, and wait, what's his name? Bacon. He died no deaths. So I gave him my tactical shotgun. I found a ruby chest and I got a tactical shotgun. And last night I literally found a sketchy trader right there, but it disappeared because it went daytime. It was here. It was like right here for a farming, like here, sitting here. And when I saw the page, yeah, he needed at least 5 bunny, bunny foots. And then, and then, really so good. Why on the campfire though? Time to get cooked. Hey, I saw there's a boy. Cool. I can't. Just believe me. I saw a sketchy trader. It was. I think it was. I think it was. I think it was an Easter egg or something. Because I saw him literally aura farming here, legs crossed, and arm, and like just here, just standing like this with two with two with two alpha wolves that has like cyan eyes, glowing cyan eyes. He needed five bunny foot, and I literally only have here. I only have one bear pelt. And if he wants my king bear pile 5 times, I'm literally going to lose it. Lose it hapon. Not gonna lie, my teammates Bacon is actually carrying the time. Also, I didn't fly. I actually got a ruby chest and got a game of the forest. Like, and the pelter was just standing here. When it was night, he was still there. I think it was a glitch. I think it's a glitch. When night turned, he was still there, just waiting like this. And then, when I got out and saw it, got out of the base and saw it, I literally saw aura from behind here. Ribbon. Nag-light to. Literally just aura. Cyan aura. And I look back and look here. Immediate gone. The time said 1 minute. 1 whole minute of nighttime. And when I saw him, instant day. Okay. Instant day. Like I'm not even